Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by reading the product instructions and ingredient list carefully. Perform a patch test on your inner forearm for 24 hours before full facial use. Wear nitrile gloves and protect your eyes and lips during handling and application to prevent burns. Use 1 drop for an area about 1 centimeter in diameter during the patch test to judge sensitivity. Avoid sun exposure and stop other actives like retinoids for 3 to 7 days before use. Keep water and neutralizing solution nearby. Cleanse your face with a gentle, non-exfoliating cleanser and pat dry. Apply a thin, even layer to the targeted area only, avoiding eyes and lips and any irritated skin. Start with a short exposure and leave the peel on for no more than 3 minutes for first-time users to reduce risk. Monitor sensation and remove immediately if intense burning or severe discomfort occurs. Neutralize with cool water or the product neutralizer after the timed application to stop chemical action. Rinse thoroughly and apply a calming, non-active moisturizer after neutralization and drying. Expect redness, mild peeling, and flaking for 3 to 7 days as the skin renews itself. Use SPF 50 daily and avoid direct sun exposure for at least 2 weeks to protect new skin from UV damage. Avoid other exfoliants and retinoids for 1 week after treatment to minimize irritation. Wait at least 2 weeks between treatments and consult a clinician for severe reactions, blistering, or
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.